Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my full name, to those who don't know me, to all former Banco Filipino depositors, my full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the former Banco Filipino depositor here in Dumaguete branch. By the way, my next video is about the 2025 Banco Filipino related videos. By the way, to all viewers and to all former board of directors who are still who are still alive, please check all my videos. Marami pang lalabas by 2025. This is just only a beginning. Itong 2024, this is just only a beginning. Marami pa akong sasabihin. Hindi naman pangbatikos, no. By the way, a lot of you are asking, is this a bombshell? The answer is, it depends on the topic. It depends. But I do not criticize. Because as what I've said before, set aside muna ang away. Okay? Kung ano yung alitan ng Bangko Sentral at ang Bangko Pilipino, set aside sa muna. Okay? By the way, this video is about for the next year, 2025. I will tackle more on legal matters. Yes, legal matters. I would like to inform to all former board of directors, former majority and minority stockholders ng Bangko Pilipino, as 2025 is fast approaching, meron akong not necessarily pakiusap. Kasi alam ko ang legal battle is still fighting, ongoing. Meron akong gagawing title na hindi pwede ma-liquidate ang Bangko Pilipino. Totoo. I'm not joking. This is serious. Kasi kung sasabihin mo liquidate, di parang lalabas kasi pinabagsak yung bank. Kasi ito, nakikita ko lumalaban lumalaban na ang Bangko Filipino. Alam ko, ito mga yan, ito mga agency na yan, yung BSP tsaka PDIC, mga kwa lang yan destroyer. Hindi lang blackmailing, destroyer pa. Yung blackmailing, alam ko na yan. I'm aware of it. Pero ito, okay, anong point ko dito sa video na ito? Bakit ko sinabing destroyer? Kasi alam ko may gagastusin pa kayo sa legal battle. Okay? Alam ko na basura na yung sa Supreme Court. Alam ko yan, yung sa 25 billion loan package. Ang gagawin lang natin is ganito. Kasi ito, alam ko, ang ending, ubusan ng gastos sa legal fees. Mga legal cases. Itong ginagawa nila kasi palaban This is a very, not only hard fight, a tough fight. Ito nakikita ko. Kasi para sa akin, ang Bangko Pilipino, matibay na bangko matibay na savings bank Kasi ang pinalabas nila, mababa ang assets, mataas ang liabilities, parang opposite ang nangyayari. Oo, yes, meron unsettled din na bank kasi yung 18.8 billion damage suit hindi binayaran Bakit hihingi ng kapalit? Withdraw the case? Uy, withdraw the case? Do you think that bank is bullshit? I don't think so. I don't think so. So, my point is that, ito lang. Pag may ongoing pang legal cases, face the consequences and fight for it. Kasi kung ako lang ang board of kung ako lang ang board of director, ay lalabanin ko yan. With justification pa. At saka yung we learn our mistakes, we will correct it. Yes, we will correct it. At hindi na tayo hihiram sa Bangko Sentral. Kasi nung malaman ko yung in-interview ni Karen Davila at saka ni Perfecto Yasa, yung buhay pa siya, a year before he died, tama sabi niya, it's part of the game. They're tricks. So this time, hindi na tayo maluloko. Yun na lang ang kukuha natin. So ngayon, I was thinking din, itong 18.8, yung damage suit na hindi binayaran, this is a bitter decision. We will start from the scratch. And yung 25 billion loan package na binasura, we will start from the scratch also. And meron pa isa. Yung, ano ba ito? Yung mga losses ninyo dati, we will start from the scratch. Ito mangyayari, rehabilitation and recovery. Kasi ang naiipit, ang na-affected, depositors. Alam ko, Bangko Filipino employees, yung mga magre-retire na, yung mga senior citizen na, yung iba patay na. We will recover it. And this time, hindi na ma-affected. Yun lang ang assurance ko sa mga sa mga viewers. Kasi ito, this is a very hard fight. Very hard fight. Okay? So, that's it for the meantime. So, yun lang po. Ine-expect ko yan na maraming mag-uubusan. Of course, gagastos kayo kasi court hearing yan eh. Malaking gastos ito. Until to the last centavo ito. Mga viewers, sinasabi ko na sa inyo. I'm not kidding. 2025, mas marami pang videos lalabas. Hindi lang isa. More than pa. Okay? Again, it's not a bombshell and it's not criticized. Ito, set aside muna. Yun lang ang sa akin. So, yung set aside na 2024, gano'n din ang gagawin ko sa 2025. Set aside muna. So, that's it. Okay, thank you so much for listening in this video. Oh, by the way, before I say goodbye, Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year.